Okay, I'm very excited to open this. Is from a TikTok shop. Lunar crystals. I think I paid $100 for this. So she sells witchy stuff, which I haven't bought this time, but I might try. She's just done subscription boxes. So she sells like soaps, candles, crystals, witch kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. So Lunar Crystal Creations. So that's everything I bought. And that's her card. And here it is. And thank you for your order, Crystal Creations. And Candle Care. So she's Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, Lunar Crystal Creations. Oh, that's beautiful presentation. Oh, how exciting. Oh my gosh, this is a freebie. Carnelian, my favourite. Oh, how did she know? Maybe I told her I like orange. What a coincidence. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, wow, look at that. What a beautiful stone. It is so pretty. And I won't read that, but if you want to find out, you can pause it and have a little read. It's cute. Oh, wow. So I bought this citrine soap. Smells amazing. So handmade soap. I think it was only $6 or $8. Look, comes with a little citrine on top. Isn't that amazing? Citrine soap splash. So I got that for my daughter because she's the sign of a citrine is Scorpio. Oh, these are the free little soaps. How cute. So that's the pomegranate one from memory, which was the one I was going to get. And this one is another one. I can't remember, but that is so cool. And this is the one I got for me. So this one is the moss agate crystal hand soap, and there's that little moss agate on top there, the crystal. How beautiful is that? Beautiful. Yummy. So I bought 2 of these, and they're $10 each. So these are like little witchy crystal confetti scoops. Hold on, let me find a little. It's not little, but anyway. Oh. Oh wow, so that's one of them here. So these are, I think they are carnelian ruffs. Oh no, I mean rose quartz. Rose quartz ruffs. Very pretty. That looks like it's got a bit of carnelian through it. And we've got a rose quartz chip bracelet. That looks like an amethyst. Oh, that's pretty. Not sure about that. Oh, wow. Love all these Little chips. How cute are they? It looks like a little amethyst. Oh wow, that's not sure. But these are definitely amethysts. It's cute. So that's one of them. And the other one is that is quartz tumble. Oh, that's pretty. That is gorgeous, and it's got a rainbow through it. That's a fire quartz tumble. Wow. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Some type of blue rough stone. Raw stone, I think it's called. Cute little green one. Amethyst. Oh wow. I think that's a moss agate. These are cute. Look at all these little chips. That's a tiger's eye. That might be a Masonite. Tree moss. Wow. Oh, cute. All these little stones. Black that's a tourmaline. Black tourmaline. Little chippies. Cool. Oh, I love those. Oh, look at that one. It's pretty good for $10. That. Oh, that's a flower. What do you call it? Flower agate. Flower agate? Oh, wow. I'm definitely going to sign up for... She's got a witch subscription box and also a crystal and self-care. I think I'll sign up for both. One's 100 and the other one's 60. But look at all those tiny little crystals. They're so cute. And this one over here, the other bag, had these little tiny little crystals going on. I might add them, if I'm not lazy, start making my Oregon pyramids, which is basically this stuff, Oregon pyramids. I've got the resin, but I've just been put off using them because you need to wear a bloody gas mask and do them outside because it's dangerous because of the chemicals. So yeah, I need to get me some kitchen scales too. I think there might be a labradorite actually. There's a labradorite. So pretty. Alright. Let's see. I'm really excited to see the candle. This candle. She makes limited edition candles. Oh wow. Smells amazing. So this is a limited edition candle, rhodonite tower. I think it was 40. So there's the gorgeous rhodonites and the little rose petals. And I love that little charm sticking out. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It's just gonna sit here next to my other flashy candles, I think. That is so cute. Love that. Yeah, you can sit there. And I've got some heat treated citron, which is this. Gorgeous. I think this was only like $7 $1.80. So it starts off as amethyst, and when you heat it up, it turns into citron. And there's another one. Oh wow, got me two. Beautiful. Look at that, how gorgeous sparkly is that? How cute is that? Little flower petals. And I got 3 small flower agate tumbles, so these were only $1.50 each. How gorgeous are they? I love flower agate. Wow, beautiful. Gorgeous. And I don't know what this one is. This one's the big one. I think, look at that. Oh, I don't think I paid more than $5 for that. Wow, that is really beautiful. It is so much more bigger and beautiful in person, and so cheap. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely beautiful. And also, if you use Welcome 10, you'll get 10% off. So I will definitely recommend popping over, because she will give you freebies. Look at my freebies. Like, how sweet is that? I got these as freebies. So these are the gorgeous soaps I got. My beautiful candle. And my heat treated citrons. So yeah, thank you so much. Oh, and how can I forget all of these yummies as well? All of that as well. So thank you so much. I love it. Thank you. So Luna Crystal Creation, she's Australian, she's from Queensland. Thanks, bye.